Greetings, greetings, greetings. Auntie Jojo's Health Challengers. How wanna do? I want if to get up excited like me this morning. Yes, man, me is very excited this morning because today is when we start officially Auntie Jojo's Health Challenge 2023. Yeah, man. So talk to me now. Wanna ready? No, really, really ready? When I gonna eat today? No figure it out yet? Well, what I know for sure that I will be having today, well, see, I just had some water. This is my 1 liter bottle of water, and I have been trying to have 3 of these per day. I usually make it to like about 2. So on this challenge, I'm going to push myself to ensure that I drink 3 of these per day. It's not absolutely necessary for you to drink 3 liter water a day. That's just what I am challenging myself to do. So, one of the important things about this challenge is this: try not to compare yourself with anyone else, but set some goals for yourself that will just take you one step further from where you are now. All right? So we just want to push ourselves a little further. Okay, so that being said, although this is not a raw vegan challenge, because I am already vegan, I am pushing myself on this challenge to do raw. So, whatever you see me share about what I'm eating, it's supposed to be raw, right? So, let's just pray that I will stay focused on being raw for the next 30 days. But you don't have to do that, okay? You don't have to have your porridge raw. You can have a cooked porridge. Okay, so here's what I'm definitely going to have today. I'm going to have a green smoothie. And this is really just where I blend fruits and green leafy vegetables. I usually add a little Irish moss to it and some vitamin C crystals. Yes. And that keeps me going. I have that at 8 o'clock, and that keeps me going until about 11. All right. So at 11 is when I am going to, because I've been having some joint pain issues that just, it seems to come out of nowhere. But the truth is that I added things back to my diet that I knew could cause inflammation in my joints. Things like tomatoes and bell peppers, or what we call sweet pepper, right? So I've started having copious amounts of flax again. So I'm going to, for my 11 o'clock meal, blend up the flax and grind it. And then I'm going to add some either pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds to it, and a pinch of pink salt, pink Himalayan salt. And what else shall I put in there? Well, I use coconut sugar. I'll try to use less to give it a little sweetness, and some cinnamon. Yes, I think I'll put cinnamon in it today. And just a little water. Just a little water is nice and thick. And that will be my meal at 11. And then later down in the day, I'm going to have a salad. I have a zucchini in the fridge, I know, and some cauliflower. I didn't get no pear. A salad without pear is just wrong. And it looked like I might have to go search the ackee tree to see if I can even find 2 powder ackee up there for putting in my salad. Some apple cider vinegar. Oh, I might use lemon instead of apple cider vinegar. And yeah, so I'm going to have a salad, is what I'm saying. And today I may just make some kind of dessert. I will let you know later. All right. So, and I think what I'm going to do is to link, put in the description box. No, on the end screen is where it's going to be. The link to the Auntie JoJo's Health Corner playlist so that you can see me enjoying my green smoothie. And there are also videos there on what I ate on Sunday. I started off with what I ate on Friday, but then it became what I ate on Sunday. So yeah. Um, I hope you know what you're going to eat today. And I really pray that you're going to have an amazing start. Oh, I'm gonna go weigh myself so that I can put it in the group. Yes, I'm going to put in the group what weight I am starting off with. It's so important to know where you start and where you end. So I wonder if my skin going to get any clearer and all of these things, but it could happen for you. May I beg God for bless you and keep you and make him face shine upon you as you walk through this challenge. Mhm. Walk good and one love.